If you have a house in South Euclid, Ohio that you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in South Euclid, Ohio. And in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in South Euclid prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer rather than going the traditional process of selling with a real estate agent or working with a buyer who has to qualify for some kind of mortgage or a loan. So first things first, people love working with us because we're going to keep it very easy for you. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. That means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, and you don't need to haul anything away. A typical normal conversation with the seller is you can take anything that you want out of the house, any belongings or collectibles or family heirlooms, by all means, that's your stuff. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you simply can leave behind, and you don't need to come out of pocket at all for any repairs. There's no trips to the Home Depot. There's no cleaning or pulling out the brooms and the mops. There's no cleaning out the garage. There's nothing you need to do whatsoever. We truly are an as-is buyer, and what allows us to buy these houses in their as-is condition is we work with cash. We're not needing to qualify for a loan. We're a true cash buyer, and when it comes to qualifying for a loan in these mortgages and these banks, that's what you get with a traditional buyer. So with a traditional buyer, first off, if they have a real estate agent they're working with, that could get expensive because if they want you to pay the commissions, that's coming right off of your bottom line. When you sell to us, there are no commissions or fees whatsoever. In fact, you're going to know exactly what your net is because there's no money taken out of the sales price. The only thing that comes out is any mortgage that you might have against the property or any liens or any property taxes or county taxes, that kind of thing. But there's no fees, no miscellaneous fees, and you're going to know exactly what you're getting at the closing table when you sell to us. With a traditional buyer, there might be some fees, there might be some commissions, but if they're using a mortgage or a lender, well, they're going to send through this formal inspection. They're going to have this inspector come and spend hours inside the house and check every single outlet, check every single light switch and the ceiling fans and open and close all the doors. And what they're doing is just compiling pages and pages and pages of things that are wrong with the house. And this could only be used against you. This could only be used to hopefully get discounts for them and hopefully waste your time and get extensions and, ask for credits and ask for favors from you. This is not good. You don't need to do any of this. These are all hoops that are unnecessary. And then with a traditional buyer, if you survive this thorough inspection and if this deal survives, well, now it gets worse because now they're going to send their appraiser through, and this appraiser works directly for the bank. And you know as well as I do, the bank has their own best interests in mind, right? They're looking for any reason to pull the rug out from under this thing and completely blow this whole thing up, waste your time, cancel the deal. And in real estate, time is money because every day that goes by that you're wasting because you haven't closed, you're paying for utilities, you're paying for insurance, you're paying for property taxes, and there's opportunity costs because you should have closed this thing a long time ago and got your hands on your money so you could go about your business and not have to wait for these people to give it the green light. So if you have a house in South Euclid and you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website. That's because we were founded in Columbus, but I'm actually from the Cleveland area originally, and we love working with sellers in South Euclid. So when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about when you want to close. You pick the closing date. It's not like the traditional buyer where they pick the closing date. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house, and if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and get this done. If our offer does not work for you, that's okay too. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never gonna have any pressure or fake urgency or sales tactics and gimmicks. That's what you get from these call centers, the ones that are sending you the text messages and the cold calls and all this. These call centers, half of them aren't even located in the United States, and they're trying to talk to you about your house in South Euclid. They're full of it, right? Work with locals. We're going to treat you like a neighbor, as you should be treated. So if you have a house in South Euclid and you want a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.